Okay, you can see here the hydrogen and oxygen bubbling up through. It's pretty good picture here. See, I try to zoom in, you really can't see. But look at all the microscopic bubbles of oxygen and hydrogen coming up from those plates. It's just phenomenal the amount that this produces. And that's, of course, oxygenating the water in there. And I'm running this at 12 volts right now. Okay. Lovely focus, huh? Lovely focus. But like I said, just a regular DC motor controller. You can use anything that'll run, several amps of power. I think I run this at about 100 watts of power, and that's at 12 volts. So it does change. The consumption changes whenever I run it at 24 volts. But you can see the microscopic oxygen just and hydrogen, it just coming off of the plates there. And that's not a glow, that's a reflection there, by the way, anyway. But it just produces like crazy. Look at that. Yeah, I know it's terrible focus, terrible focus. I tried to get some good light on it. Um, I was just running at different voltages. There's 24 volts to check it out and see the difference in it. But you can see it, producing a lot of bubbles, microscopic bubbles. And I was just trying to put it in different um, places here so that you could see it and see it well. You can see it bubbling good there. There you go. That's a good picture. See it coming up in the middle there. And it just goes crazy. It turns hydrogen and oxygen um, loose from the water molecule. And it's stupidly simple. Look at it go. Okay? This oxygenates your water, which is, useful for fish tanks if you want to, or disinfecting water. And that's what I'm using it for. I'm using it to disinfect water. It's producing hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. So here, 111 watts, 110, and that's running there at 24 volts. I thought it was 12. Anyway, um, probably each unit will be a little bit different depending on how close the plates are to each other, and the water quality is going to change, the acidity, so on and so forth. But yeah, it does change. It's about anywhere from 97 to 100 and some watts. But it does change from 12 to 24 volts. The wattage consumption does change a little bit. So um, just trying different things, different voltages, and documenting them a little bit. But there it is. The water is crystal clear yet. It ran for 2 hours. And there it is. There's no damage, no discoloration. Everything looks great. That's your drinking water. It needs to be clean. So check out the other video.